As the cold dark nights draw in, we all have to take extra care whilst driving. At your local Kwik-Fit, you can trust us to get your car ready for winter to help keep you safe on the roads. This winter, come into one of our centres for your free winter safety check. Your safety is very important to us, so here is a checklist of what we'll cover. Your battery performance, the condition of your tyres, the front and back of your wipers and washers, the operation of your lights, screen wash levels and top-ups, and the strength and level of your coolant and antifreeze. Please come into your local Kwik-Fit centre and speak to one of our trained technicians, or dial 0800 222 111. Keeping you safe this winter.